Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Friday, 30th of August. So one day na lang. Tapos na ang August, everyone. Let us ayan everyone. Ano ko kayo dito sa daanan ko dahil mahirap itong daanan dito. Hindi pantay-pantay. Tapos Friday today. Weekdays. TGIF again. Yan lang everyone. God bless and see you later after 1 hour for traveling, going to job site. Ayan everyone. Whole day akong out sa cage ko. So no siesta, no nap, and ayun, puro travel lang. Work, travel. And that's it at the moment. Bye everyone. Who's inside the campus? Now I am here. I thank you Lord in spite of everything happened this morning because of the delay of the buses and I don't know what's happening. So I arrive now. It's already 5:30 and 2 buses are missed. Okay everyone, that's it. That's my update for this morning. Marami ako nakasabay pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan na sila. Yun lang everyone. Bye at the moment. Ayan. After 3 hours of working, I'm going on the other side to take a train. And I'm going to Hanwell. And look, it's broken. I throw it the plastic bag so it's not working here. I bring 2 but no, it's broken already. So I need to go here on the underground. Yeah, look, it's easy to walk here going to the train. Yeah, bye at the moment. See you after how many steps to go. Time check everyone, 3:10. So alas 3 días na. Out na ako kay Tina. And so next stop is Liverpool Street. Going to work for the night everyone. Waiting in 15:18 the train towards Abbeywood. Ayan. Announcement. Sabi nila yung dadaan na train ay hindi mag-stop dito kasi maybe diretso ng ayan. Makikita nyo, yan yung sinasabi nila na ano, na hindi dito i-stop. Nako. Dumarami na po ang mga pasahero. Yan everyone. Good afternoon. Time check. It's 16:08. Time in ako dito sa Daily Games kasi galing akong Hanwell. Nagtrabaho ako kay Tina. So, maaga akong nag-in. And then, ayun. Kailangan kong kumain dahil busog na. Nakain ako ni Tina. Andun yung asawa niya. I love the waffle. 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 Ano yung sabi ko ba? Waffle. Fries. Kain muna tayo. Potato chips. With mayo and ketchup. Kasi may magko-cover kay George. So, ituturo ko sa kanya yung lugar and then kaya ayun. Bibilihan ko itong pagkain na to. Kailangan maubos to. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye and see you later after 4 hours. Yun na everyone. Natapos na ang 4 hours namin. Kaya uwian na. Ayan na. Ayan. Malapit na ako sa Algady Station. Naririnig niyo yung batingaw. May batingaw, di ba? Oh. Ayun. 7:20. That's it. Bye. After 2 trains and 350 walks. Tanggol everyone! While watching, kakain tayo. Ang dinner sa baba ay spaghetti. May salad. Marami siya, kaya lang spaghetti lang ang kinuha ko. It's because birthday ni Ian. Happy birthday, Ian. Shout out. And makita nyo, madilim na doon sa labas. So, that's it for today. God bless. Good night and Korean sign. I love you all. Bye.